Hello and welcome to this video on how to use AcouS STIFF software. I'm going to show you how to simulate a double leaf wall. The example of a partition with plasterboard and mineral wool will be considered here. First, choose a double model in the toolbox and drag and drop in the walled folders. Then, we inform all the different elements of the partitions. First, the metal stud. For the metal stud, consider the linear ties. Then the leaf. The leaf are plasterboard. So drag and drop the plasterboard from the materials to the wall folders. And the intermediary cavity with a thickness of air and the thickness of glass wool. All the mechanical and dimensional characteristics can be changed in the characteristic windows. So we can adjust the thickness of air 3 mm and the thickness of glass wool 45 mm. Some example of parameters. The clamping of the facing can take into account with the dimensions. And the critical frequency is more or less deep according to the loss factor. For the ties, the desolidarization factors take into account the rigidity of the metal stud. And the geometric parameter, here the spacing between studs. The speed of calculations allow to obtain the curves and table result with the descriptions of mounting. All the calculations are instantaneous. Then we can check if the model is okay with a test report comparison. So we just simulate a partition with plasterboard and mineral wool. I invite you to consult the other tutorials for other type of constructive systems. Thank you.